Hey Joshua, Trent Tate here with Tameron Honda's Internet Department. Sir, thank you so very much for your recent online interest through the PinFed auto buying service and America's top-selling midsize SUV for the last month. This is a phenomenal product, the Honda Pilot. This is the touring option that you selected in the modern silver metallic. We also have a lunar silver metallic that we have right here behind us, as we can see there. So that one just came in off the truck. It's still wrapped up in plastic. We gotta get that through inspection, so we'll have the exact vehicle you're after when you arrive. But come check out the Pilot, full LEDs. As you can see, both headlights and fog lights. The most attractive wheel, in my opinion, that we offer on the Pilot package is on the Tourings and above. And inside the cab, that's where it really starts to shine. As you can see, nice piano black glossy trim pieces throughout. Top grain heated leather seats. You'll have the options for heated and ventilated seats in the Touring, as well as Blu-ray. You're gonna have the ability to get a data package set up for this vehicle where you can stream all the major streaming services back there for the family. Comes with 2 wireless headsets as well as in-dash Garmin navigation. You get Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a 7 and an 8 passenger option in those Touring lineups. So we've got the vehicles here in stock. Being Alabama's premier dealer, we're gonna have the best inventory for you to choose from. Please give me a call today so we can land you on the exact vehicle, so I can send over the pricing information for you as well. Again, Trent Tate with Tameron Honda, and I can make you this promise: when you make it on by Tameron, you're gonna love the way you're treated.